Number one, you're going to solve and determine how many solutions of the system of the linear equation has. So I want you to understand what I mean by the solution. Please understand that the solution here visually is referred to as the intersection. So if you look at the intersection, you can determine the solution to this system. So if you take a look at the first one, for A, the intersection is at this point, and knowing the point is at x comma y, we can say that the solution for this system would be 0 comma 2, because that is that point of 0 comma 2. For B, notice here there is no intersection because the lines are parallel. Therefore, this has no real solution. If you try to get two numbers right here for x and y here, none of it would be valid. Next, for C, notice that this is a line on top of another line. The fact that the lines are right on top of each other, they're always intersecting. And the fact that they're always intersecting, here we could say that it has an infinite number of solutions for this system. That means you can plug in any x or any y and it still would be true.